Got the wheel spin. 2 cents, $3 on. Let's get it.
Come on.
No.
Oh, we'll take that. That's $200. Yeah, we'll take it.
$200.
Yeah.
I was like, nah, we don't want to. But yeah.
We'll take that.
Yeah. I've had a lot worse.
A pound.
Nice.
Come on, hats. Come on, hats.
Oh.
Come on. Oh.
Oh.
Ooh. Come on now. Come on. Oh, right there.
Come on now. Come on. All right, 3 more spins.
Oh.
All right, last spin. Taking a profit on this.
Yep.
All right, so missed no cash out. Wanted to keep on, and we got lucky and got the double up.
Okay.
So here we go. These are dimes.
Okay, come on.
Get them 250s out of here.
Come on.
I'm sorry, bring them 250s back.
Come on. Okay. Come on, give me some writing.
$5. That's
Come on, give me some writing. Come on. Come on. No. Come on. Come on.
Come on.
Come on.
One.
Something.
One.
At least we got it.
For real, let's cash out at 100.
Yeah, that's what
Because
I'm
that
gonna do.
extra spins is bullshit.
Oh, I know. $18.
Nah, last spin for real. For
Nope.
reals. Alright, cashing out.
Okay.
Alright guys, we got the ultra spin bonus on the 480 bit. Dimes. Here we go.
Oh no. Come on. Okay.
Where's the bird?
Come on, birdies.
Come on, bird.
Oh, did you
Hell,
see that
on
major?
vacation?
There he's coming.
There we
Come
go.
on. Yeah. Thank goodness.
Come on. Bird. There. Yeah.
Big numbers.
250.
Come on, give me some writing.
Something. $10 on that one. All right.
Come on,
Yeah.
big numbers.
$5 there. $12.50.
Come on. Come on. Come on.
There we go. There we go.
Come on. Come on.
Yeah. Land it.
Come on.
Land it. Bird. Yeah.
Come on. Big numbers.
$10. $7.50. $10. $7.50. Nice.
Come on, something.
Oh.
Oh, but he still go. I forgot.
$2.50
Come on, keep
that
going.
one. $10 on that one.
Keep going.
Yeah, at least we got it.
Yep.
It really ain't a bad bonus this game.
Yep.
Oh, yeah, that's pretty good. That's more than I thought.
Yep.
$147.50.
Yep. Come on, we need the extra spin than the
Bang.
double.
Oh.
Come on.
Come on, baby. Do it. Oh. Minor. No.
Come on.
All right. Let's cash out. We're moving on.